Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka 29. With the mind harmonized by yoga, he sees the self abiding in all beings and all beings in the self. He sees the same everywhere.
Chapter 6, Shloka 29. Sarvabodhastamatmanam Sarvabhutani cha atmani Ishate yoga yuktatma Sarvatra samadarshanaha.
Chapter 6, Shloka 29. The experience gained by yoga is unchanging and permanent. But what are the effects of this yoga gained, and what is the perception of oneness in the pluralistic world is explained now. The uniqueness of Vedanta is that amongst all the religions, it alone claims that the perfect man of self-knowledge or God realization not only knows the self but thereafter recognizes the same self in all without any distinction whatsoever. The electricity which gives power to one equipment is the same electricity in all equipment, in spite of differences in nature of the equipment and the uses they are put to. When you come to recognize your own awareness, then you see the same awareness in all objects and beings, everywhere and at all times. The divine awareness is the essence of all perceptions and experiences in the world. All names and forms are being supported by the same substratum, the essence in each one everywhere. The clay supports all clay pots of different shapes, sizes and uses, like the gold supports all ornaments and the ocean all the waves. With the physical body as the locus, I judge all physical bodies. The mind feels all emotions of others, and the intellect understands all others' ideas. Similarly, on transcending the intellect, when I meet myself, then I recognize the same self everywhere. Only after realization can one have this equal vision, for one discovers the unity in all diversity. This is what Lord means when he says he sees the self abiding in all beings and all beings in the self. He sees the same everywhere. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.